those matches on the people that you personally sponsor, you're earning it in your entire organization. So as a senior director, as an executive director, think about all of the matching bonuses that can be paid through Performance Club in those first 2 years by helping your entire team focus on Performance Club. Huge dollars. It's going to be the biggest Performance Club checks we've ever paid in the history of the company. And at the same time, you're still focused on fast start, still focused on manager, and helping your associates get off to a fast start. One other change in how we're going to pay out the matching bonuses for Performance Club is going to be using the term Power Team. Now, for those of you who've been in the Legal Shield Associate for a while, you know exactly what Power Team is. This is not a foreign concept. But for those of you that are new, let me explain what Power Team means. When we say Power Team Senior Director, we're referring to someone who has qualified for Senior Director for 3 consecutive months. Power Team Executive Director, 3 consecutive months. And the same for Power Team Platinum. Now, if you miss a month, you do have to start over to get 3 consecutive months. So for example, your 3 consecutive months, Power Team Senior Director, you hit it again in the 4th month, the 5th month. If you fall out of Power Team Senior Director, you do have to have 3 additional months in a row before you're once again considered a Power Team Senior Director. So for paying out bonuses for these Performance Club bonuses, Fast Start, and Manager, we're now going to use this Power Team concept to make sure that the Senior Director is being paid, the Executive Director is being paid, or Platinum is being paid, has qualified for those levels for 3 consecutive months.